I try so hard to change my life, but nothing works. That's what Daniel said to me with tear in eyes. He was exhausted, motivated on Monday, but broken again by Friday. But what if I told you the problem isn't with your dream? It's with your habits. Hello everyone and welcome back to Ask GyanGuru, where psychology meets real life. Today we are diving deep into a story that might sound a lot like yours. It's not about big failure or huge wins. It's about the small choices we make every single day and how they quietly shape our destiny. Meet Daniel, just an ordinary guy working a 9 to 5 job. Every new year, he made a list: gym, wake up early, start a side hustle, read books. But 3 months later, the gym shoes were dusty, books untouched, and that side hustle still a dream. One night, Daniel sat down and asked himself, why can't I change? He thought motivation was enough. He was wrong. Daniel stumbled upon something called the domino effect. Listen to me, the domino effect. Here, how it works. Imagine a line of dominoes. Push one and it starts a chain reaction. Now, imagine each domino is a habit. He started small, just waking up 15 minutes early. That small win gave him the confidence to drink water after waking up. Then he added 5 minutes of journaling and then 10 minutes of walking. Each small habit triggered the next. No pressure, no big changes, just a quiet, powerful chain reaction. This is backed by behavioral psychology. When you link habit together, your brain builds a pattern. This is called habit stacking. Daniel wasn't lazy. He was just trying to change everything overnight. He didn't need motivation. He needed momentum. And the momentum doesn't come from one big push. It comes from one small win at a time. Now, the moral of the story is here. And listen to me carefully. We all want to change our lives, but change doesn't come from one magical moment. It comes from boring, consistent, invisible works we do every day. Start small, push one domino, and let the chain reaction begin. So, let me ask you, what one small habit you can start today? Something so easy. You can't say no. Let's talk in the comments. Maybe your one small win inspire someone else. And if this story help you see things differently, like, share and subscribe to Ask GyanGuru, where psychology meets real life. We are building something special here and I'm so glad you are the part of this journey. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.